Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the Land Rover, and welcome to a tent box tip. Now, it goes without saying, if you've got a tent box on a slightly taller vehicle than most, like the Land Rover Defender, it's worth knowing what the height restriction is of your Land Rover or tall vehicle with the tent box on top. Yes, you should know the height of your Land Rover. Yes, you should know the height of the tent box itself as per the manufacturer's website, but you might have slightly different roof bars to other people. It might not be the ones recommended by tent box themselves. So just for peace of mind, it's worth just taking that measurement so you know exactly the limits you're working with whenever you're out and about and you come across these height barriers, or I don't know, really small low bridges. So what I decided to do was set up a little rig on top of my Land Rover. I put a sort of protective mat down on top because I don't want to scratch the tent box, and I found a straight piece of wood, a straight edge, placed it across the highest part of the tent box, because on my Land Rover, the Land Rover is slightly angled like that. It's slightly higher. The suspension's just slightly more rated at the back. I think it was an ex-Mountain Rescue Land Rover, so I think that's the reason behind that. So yeah, placed the wood across the back of the tent box, and then simply just took a measurement. Once I'd taken that measurement, I then wrote it down on a piece of card along with the varying measurement heights, like in feet and meters and in centimeters. So just stuck it on the back of my visor, sun visor, so if I ever come across a situation where I need to know, because I'm bound to forget, as soon as I've written it down it'll have dribbled out my ears and I'll have forgotten it, so it's always there on the back of the sun visor. So just drop that down, check the measurement, and I know I'm good. So I mean, I'm not trying to teach you how to suck eggs here, but for those that haven't even thought about this or think they know the height of the vehicle and tent box, maybe just double check, get it written down, then you know you're not going to get into any trouble. Okay, hope you enjoyed that one. Really short video today. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. And if you are new to the channel, click on that bell icon so you don't miss out on my next video. It could be a tent box video, could be a Land Rover video, who knows? So yeah, just click on that button. Okay, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.